And this, my friends, is a story about my abandoned boat.
Welcome back on Russ Hunter's channel after really long time, guys. But now we are going to start with really interesting project, and that's a tiny boat which I have for a really long time, and it's abandoned. It's going to be something new which we never done before, and it's going to be a group of my friends which is going to support this build. The boat is abandoned and is staying here, I believe, for maybe 8 years or something. And yeah, it does have some steering wheel, someone was doing something already, and we have some concrete on the floor which we need to remove out. Even the chickens are there and everything. But me and my friend are going to start removing everything away, and then we will try to pull the boat out with the car slowly.
First of all, I want to thank to my friends who came to support me with this project. Starting is always the hardest part, but is also the best. We got to work right away, clearing everything around the boat so we could move it to the clean area. The job was tough and the heat made it even harder, but getting this done felt great.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. On we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
Yeah, to remove this. I give to the So that's it, guys. It's a bit better now. We'll try to hook up the rope here. and pull the boat out slowly with hands and see how heavy it is. We cleared inside as well. We have a steering wheel from Golf Mark II GTI, I believe, but the concrete needs to come out, as now the boat is very heavy.
At this point, my friend and I were way too optimistic. When the boat didn't even budge, all we could do was laugh. It became pretty clear that we needed a lot more power. The idea was to place a small dolly under the front of the boat and use the car to pull it out. At least that was my idea, but my dad thought we could just lay down some planks and let the boat roll over them more easily, though I wasn't completely convinced.
We did put the wood under the boat, and we hope the boat is going to roll on the wood and is going to move a bit easier. We'll just put the rope there and pull the rope around this here, and then we'll just try to pull it with a car, as the boat is actually heavy and is not moving. So yeah, let's go guys. Hopefully we can take the boat today. And today we are going to have an amazing view of the boat, and hopefully tomorrow we can start taking the concrete out and continue on this project with my friends.
This was our first attempt to pull the boat out or even get it to move even a little, and we failed. We tried again and failed again, and definitely rewatched the part where my dad jumps back after getting scared. Showing him that clip later actually made him laugh. this point, we started discussing how there was just so much concrete inside the boat. We realized we needed a different method, and maybe removing some of the concrete before trying to pull it again would help.
So we couldn't move the boat even with the car, it's too heavy. Now we decided we will try to remove as much as possible, as much as we can of this concrete out, as we will reduce the weight like a lot.
And here we are again, me and my friend, equipped with a hammer and chisel, slowly chipping away all that concrete. It was a long, exhausting job, and with the day already running late, every strike felt even heavier, but step by step, we kept going. We didn't stop. We really wanted to finish this project.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by.
So yeah, we did clear quite a bit. Still a lot inside, but we're making some progress. So this is the concrete which is coming out of the boat.
Through the highways, and on
Okay guys, the second day we didn't manage to move the boat, just tiny bit. But now the next plan is I'll try to lift the boat up a bit and then put on this old dolly which have a wheels, and then somehow I'll try to lift the boat also behind here on the second one, and then when the boat is going to be on the wheels, I hope on the 8 small wheels, it's going to be easier to move the boat. And the concrete situation yesterday was a bit dark. We removed one half and then one more half is left. And yeah, let's see how that goes. But it's very hot here today and we're struggling a bit with the heat. But it's going to be an amazing project actually. Both have really nice lines, looks very sporty, and yeah.
At this point, we were getting the boat ready to lift it onto a dolly, but we changed our plan at the last second. Instead, we decided to use a trailer. We lifted the boat just high enough to slide a small trailer underneath, which you'll see in the next part. Unfortunately, the entire process didn't get recorded.
Okay guys, after 1 hour of struggle we made it. Like somehow we put the trailer under the boat and we will be going out of this little area here to take the boat slowly out and wash it later on. I'm really excited, and we made some progress.
And here it is, our first real attempt to pull the boat out, with it sitting halfway on the trailer. At first I was shocked that the car was struggling so much to move it. Then I realized the handbrake was still on. Once that was sorted, the boat finally started moving. Even if it was just a few meters, honestly, I was really happy to see that progress.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's
There was also a dolly under the back of the boat, and during the first pull it actually slipped out. That was the main reason we struggled so much to get the boat fully out of this spot.
finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to Feel the silence chasing me. Shadows follow me everywhere I go. Danger's near. I can feel there's a silence screaming in the dark. Footsteps echo when I fall apart. Eyes behind me, I can feel the weight. Welcome to the kill zone. Danger's near, I can feel it.
You are probably wondering where the dolly suddenly came from. Unfortunately, that part wasn't recorded. We had to place it under the boat when the car couldn't pull it at all. Once the dolly was in position, the difference was night and day. The car pulled the boat with ease. It barely felt like there was any weight behind the car.
The boat is finally out, guys. So now I'll start removing the concrete. This was a tough mission as the boat was totally in. I have the trailer in front and the trailer behind, the dolly behind. So made it a bit easier for us to manage to take it out, but it was all day mission if I'm honest. Now I will start with cleaning all of this concrete and rubbish and try hoover and pressure wash the boat. Then we will start sanding the boat and try to fix the cracks and everything else, like this one here. So yeah, that's the plan.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned because part 2 is coming very soon. Wishing you all happy and successful 2026. See you in the next one.